Hello. Hi. Can you guess the measurements of the animals? Okay, let's start. How tall is the giraffe? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The giraffe is 5 blocks tall. Yay! Good job. How wide is the bear? Let's count. 1, 2. Yay! The bear is 2 blocks wide. Yay! You did an amazing job. How tall is the pig? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's 4 blocks tall. How tall is the zebra? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, the zebra is 6 blocks tall. How cute. How wide is the lion? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The lion is 5 blocks wide. Yay, I'm so proud of you. How wide is the panda? 1, 2, 3. Yay, the panda is 3 blocks wide. How tall is the hippo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay, the hippo is 6 blocks tall. How tall is the tiger? Cute. 1, 2, 3, 4. The tiger is 4 blocks tall. Okay. Next is, how wide is the monkey? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. The monkey is 3 blocks wide. I'm so proud of